Hi everyone, Mrs. Hall here again. You guys just watched Max and Molly talk about having different feelings about the same thing. Remember in that video where Max was feeling happy or excited because he was seeing the school dentist? And Molly, she wasn't too happy. She was feeling scared. Well, we learned that it's okay to have different feelings about the same thing. Let's think about that a little bit more with today's story card. Here is Chantel and Marissa. They are riding the same bike. Chantel is in the front, pedaling the bike fast. Marissa is riding in the back. I want you to focus your attention on the photo. And what is the same about Chantel and Marissa? There's a lot of similarities. They're both girls and they're both wearing helmets. They have the same hair color. They're probably about the same age and about the same size. And they're both riding the bike. So there's a lot of things that are the same. But now I want you to use your attention scope and focus in on the photo again. What is different or not the same about Marissa and Chantel? Focus on Chantel's face. She's in the front. How do you think she is feeling? Yeah, she looks happy. She looks excited and interested. Looks like she's having a really good time riding on the bike. So if you had the same idea, clap your hands 2 times. Now let's focus on Marissa's face. How do you think she is feeling? Yep, her face looks different from Chantel's. She doesn't have a big smile on her face. So she's not feeling happy. What are you thinking? How does she feel? Looking at the clues on her face. Yeah, she's got her teeth. Remember we talked about that when you feel scared that you might clench your teeth? She's doing like this, like, So she's like, I don't know about this. She's going too fast. That's probably what she's thinking. So Marissa is feeling afraid or scared. She is not feeling happy like Chantel. Sometimes we think people feel the same way we do because they just think if I like it, they like it. That's what you kind of think. Like, oh, if I like to go on roller coasters, they'll like going on roller coasters. Well, that's not always true. Sometimes people are have a different feeling about it, and that's okay. So we're learning that you can have a different feeling about the same thing, and it's okay because your feelings belong to you, and just like everybody's feelings belong to them. So if your friend likes something that you don't like, that's okay. And if you like something they don't like, that's okay. So it's okay if people have different feelings about the same thing. Remember to look in the Bitmoji classroom and check out the boom cards, the song this week, as well as the other activities. Have a good